Every great invention starts somewhere, and often, it's deep inside a factory. From massive forging presses to high-tech welding robots, the machines shaping our world are more powerful, more precise, and more mind-blowing than ever. Today, we're going inside the world of industrial giants to see how metal, plastic, and even sound are transformed into the tools, structures, and products we rely on every single day. We begin with SMS Group, a global engineering powerhouse. They specialize in building advanced machinery for casting, rolling, forging, and extruding materials like steel, aluminum, and copper. SMS doesn't just stop at shaping metal. They also lead in metal powder tech used in 3D printing and additive manufacturing. What sets them apart? Extreme precision. Whether it's automotive or aerospace components, their machines can work within incredibly tight tolerances. Their equipment can even endure hellish heat, processing metals at extreme temperatures without breaking a sweat. Next up is TX Inter, based in Russia. This company makes highly specialized braiding machines used for creating cords, tubes, wires, and even designs using precious metals or composites. Their software, TexMind Braider Multi-Filament, creates a 3D simulation of braided structures, optimizes machine settings, and even lets you arrange braid colors with precision. Now meet some Springworks. They're experts in crafting custom mechanical springs, hot or cold wound, along with metal stampings, spinning, and even water jet cutting. They can produce coils up to 36 inches in diameter and springs with a free length of 70 inches. Need fast turnaround? They offer expedited services tailored to your exact specifications. Let's move to DMS Design, a standout in industrial machining. Their machines are built for versatility and complexity, often used to produce highly detailed parts in aerospace, automotive, and medical industries. What makes them special? Efficient material use, reduced waste, and cost-effective design flexibility. Next, we visit Melting Solutions, innovators in melting and casting metals. Their machines are known for precision and reliability across various metals. Efficiency is a top priority. Optimizing energy usage while reducing waste. Their tech supports industries demanding high-quality, consistent metal output. Enter Ballard Forge, where forging meets precision. These machines shape metal with unmatched power and accuracy, supporting sectors like automotive and aerospace. Their advanced forging systems automate the entire process, enhancing strength while minimizing energy use and material loss. Let's check out a smart innovation by Peston: corrugated pipes with a two-layer design. A smooth inner wall and a strong spiral exterior are formed using high-density polyethylene. The outer layer is profiled for maximum strength and can be adjusted for different stiffness levels, making it ideal for tough construction tasks. We then head into the world of iron forging, where raw iron is turned into powerful parts using a forging press. Through methods like ring rolling, they shape seamless rings, hubs, flanges, and more, all under constant operator supervision. Now for bevel gears, used in cars, printing presses, cooling towers, and more. These gears are conical and usually placed at 90-degree angles. Using CNC technology, machines shape, grind, and fine-tune the gears for highly specific functions, like the Glendon BGS C300, one of the largest gear-making machines in the world. Switching gears. Ever wonder how vinyl records are made? At Palace Group, it all starts with PVC pellets, melted and formed into flat biscuits. Pressed under 100 tons of pressure between grooved master discs, each record is then cooled, trimmed, and tested, both visually and sonically, before hitting the shelves. Now for something truly mesmerizing, the MBK cage welding machine. It fuses steel rods into reinforced cages used in concrete construction. Sparks fly as the machine rotates the cage and welds each joint perfectly, handling rods up to 57 millimeters thick.